Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, how to create a brand new Valorant account so you can start playing the game without any confusion. To play Valorant, the first thing you need is a Riot Games account. Begin by opening any web browser on your PC or laptop. In the search bar, type Valorant and open the official website playvalorant.com. Once the homepage loads, click on the Play for Free button. You'll be taken to a logging page where Riot asks for an existing account. Since you're new, choose the option to create a Riot account. Enter your email address and continue. Riot will then send a verification code to your email, which you need to open, copy, and paste into the verification page. After that, enter your date of birth, choose a unique username for your Riot account, and create a strong password. Confirm the password, read through the terms of service and privacy policy, and agree to continue. Once these steps are completed, your Riot account will be created successfully, and you can use it to log in, download Valorant, and start playing. And that's it. That's how you can easily create a new Valorant account in just a few minutes. I hope this video helped you out. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.